Okay, so we went to Sally's, me and Alyssa, and the color that I ended up getting is this one, which I haven't tried before. Cabernet Color Tango by Wella Color. So, trying a new color. Hi everybody, so today we're going to be doing a testing new hair color video, and I'm back in the bathroom where I filmed my very first red hair video, so kind of exciting. But today I'm going to be testing out a new color that I haven't tried before. This is the Wella Color Tango Permanent Hair Color. I'm going to be using it like a demi-permanent color, so I'm going to use a lower volume. I'm going to use 10 volume, which is right in here. I just used a generic, Sally's Salon Care brand, but you could use any other brand that you prefer as well. So I'm going to mix these together with a 1-to-1 ratio. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so the first thing that we're going to do is squeeze out the color from the tube onto the bowl. Yes, it looks very orange in person as well, but that'll probably change once you add the developer. We have about 1.8 ounces of color. The box said it had 2, but of course we're not going to get every single bit of color out of the tube. So here's my tube. So we're going to add an equal amount of developer. So it'll be about 3.6. There we go. Right, that looks good. And now I'm just going to mix it together and start applying it to my hair. So the reason why I'm using a low developer, like a 10 volume developer, is because I don't want to lift my color at all. I just want to deposit color back into the faded portion of my red, just to give it a little more vibrancy. So I'm not going to be touching my natural roots at all. I'm just going to be trying to apply it to the red part of my hair. Of course, you guys know that I start using a brush, but I usually, by the end of the video, I'm just like literally rubbing it in with my hands. Just however you feel more comfortable, just get it on there. Oof. It smells potent though. I may have to open a window. So I am literally just brushing it on. Oh, it smells so bad. I'll open my window. But I'm a little bit nervous because it's a level 6. I am usually more of a level 8 red. So hopefully it's not like too dark. The swatch at the store didn't seem too dark, but they usually do those swatches on blonde hair, so we'll see. It stinks. It stinks like terrible. It smells like perm. This is how much product I have left. I did my hair except the roots, and I have pretty short hair, so you guys could kind of see how much you would need. Abraham and Alyssa are in the pool, so they're being very loud. So I'm just gonna apply the rest of this to the ends, and then I'm gonna wait 30 minutes, and then I'll come back and rinse it off. To be honest, I'm a little nervous because it looks really dark. It literally looks like brown, like dark brown, but we'll see. I'm gonna go ahead and wait 30 minutes now before I rinse it off. I am gonna shampoo it and condition because I always get that asked, but I'm gonna actually step outside because it smells so strong. My eyes are burning, and I've never had to step out of the house when I color my hair, but this time it's like crazy. So Alyssa and Abraham are actually outside in the pool right now, so I'm gonna go hang out with them while I wait for this color to process. Go ahead and rinse the color off now. The shampoo that I like to use is a Tresemme Healthy Volume shampoo, just because I already have oily hair, so I don't need a moisturizing shampoo. You could also use a sulfate-free shampoo, which is ideal for colored hair. And I also really love the Pantene 5-in-1 conditioner. It's my favorite. I get it at Costco, and it leaves my hair so smooth and silky. I love it so much. So this is what I'm going to use. It's been 30 minutes, and now I'm going to go ahead and rinse. Alright, so this is what the hair color ended up looking like and again, that was the Wella Color Tango 6RRV. I'm not impressed with this color. I think it's a little muted of a red. It looks more like a medium red brown maybe. Yeah, it's too muted. It's not like bright, which is what I like, but it is a little darker. So for those of you that asked me, you know, what you could use to darken your color, this is the one that I used today. So if you like this color, here it is. The smell of this product was really strong, so I don't think I would try another color in this brand just because the scent was like so strong. I literally had to open a window because I was suffocating and my eyes were burning the whole time. So this is not my favorite hair color, and I would probably not try it again just because it is a little more muted than what I like. I don't mind dark as long as it's still vibrant, you know what I mean? So anyway, for those of you guys that like a darker red, here is an option for you. Now from here, let's say you don't like it at all and you want to brighten it, what you could do is go in with a 20 volume and the high color highlights in magenta or red, whichever one you prefer. But I'm just going to let it fade, take its natural course, and then I will try a different color once that does happen. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy these hair color reviews. Let me know what other colors you guys would like me to try. And with that being said, remember that wherever you go and whatever you do, always leave a mark.